everyone, my name is Leon and welcome back to another video. I make content every single day based around video production, making money online, tutorials and business, so if that's what you're interested in then be sure to subscribe. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get more freelance clients using a video intro. So without wasting any of your time, let's just get started. Okay, so first off, for any of you who don't actually know what a video intro basically is, it's basically just a 1 to 2 minute pitch video of you explaining who you are, explaining, well, what you can offer, and basically just pitching yourself to your potential client. Now I'm going to give you at least 3 things that you can implement in your video intro that I think will actually be very effective. So number 1, right off the bat, introduce yourself, obviously. So say for example now, hey there, my name is Leon, I am an 18-year-old freelance video producer, YouTuber, let's obviously if you're a YouTuber, and overall video production specialist, as that's what I'm assuming you are, otherwise realistically you wouldn't be watching this right now. And obviously if you have a YouTube channel, which I'm going to assume you do, I don't know though, you can just show off some, like you just show off, for example, like, how can I say, add some spice to it, if you will, like make it a little bit more, add some statistics there. So for example now, like, I'm going to use Jack Hall for this example, right? He's got around 400,000 subscribers, so what does he do? He basically shows off his YouTube channel with 400,000 subscribers, even though when his previous video intro was made, I think it was made like 2018, 2019, nah, definitely 2018. And pretty much he was just showing like his statistics on YouTube, and I don't know, it seems to play a big role, so, well, not a big role, but some. It seems to have an effect, I guess. Because at the end of the day, if it's a YouTube client, for example, and they want someone who, like, is, well, gonna do the job they're asking them to do and provide basically help them achieve the results they want to achieve, then them seeing your statistics, like, going through the roof, that's gonna make them think, okay, this is a good, this could be good. So yeah, just include some statistics or something. Or you could, if you have done some work for a celebrity client or just anything big, you can include, well, you can basically talk about that. The second thing you want to do is, how can I say, put all your, like, for example, just pick from 4, like, you can pick between 4 to 8 pieces of past work that you've done. And obviously just you can either go, I've done this, I've done this, I've done this, I've done this, or you can do, which I'd say is a lot more, how can I say, a lot more faster, if you will. It makes things easier, or it makes a lot more sense in my opinion. You can literally just, you put it over your actual footage of you talking, and shut up. And essentially you just like, oh, so I've done, for example, music videos, YouTube videos, food videos, montages, anything. Just anything you've done, just put it on the screen. That way it's a lot more easier and it's a lot in your face, I guess. And the third thing you want to do is basically just add a call to action, and another thing as well, this will apparently, according to Jack, this actually tends to work in your favour. Point out how personal the video is. For example, so like honestly, I think it's pretty rare that any freelancer sends a video intro. In fact, I think it's pretty rare that clients actually receive video intros. So what you want to do is you want to obviously point out how personal the video intro you're making is. So say for example, okay, we've reached the end now. I love how personal these intro video. Okay, so we've come to the so we've come to the end of the video. I've come to the end of this now. I love how personal these video intros are because I literally just get to make a connection to you right off the bat. I like how personal these video intros are because I just get to talk directly straight to you. I highly doubt anyone else is doing this with you, therefore because it's so rare, that's why I prefer I like doing it like this, because it allows me to just create a connection with you right off the bat. And then for your outro, just say, okay, we've reached the end now. Or is it if you feel I'm a good fit for your job, and well, you just like this, you just love the video intro or something like that, you can do better than that, I guess. Then what is it? Feel free to hit me back on Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, whatever site you use. I obviously use Upwork because that's the main part of my, well, that's where I get all my freelance work for my business. And yeah, that's essentially it. Okay, so that is how you get more clients with a video intro. If you found this video valuable, then be sure to subscribe for more with the bell on. Drop a like and share the video around to boost its search rankings and help the channel grow. And if you have any questions or just general areas for me to improve on, then be sure to leave them in the comment section or message me via Instagram or Snapchat. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, everyone.